Hey guys, welcome to Sam610. So in this video, I want to show you guys my stats for 2019. And by the way guys, Happy New Year. I want to wish everybody a happy and safe New Year. And this is going to be the first video of 2020. So I hope you guys really enjoy this. Right now, it's 12:19 a.m. in the morning. I just watched the ball drop and I'm very excited to share these numbers with you guys. What we're going to do is we're going to go through my YouTube analytics and I'm going to show you how many views I have on this channel and how many subscribers and what the most popular video was in 2019. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video, guys. Alright, so we are inside my computer, guys, and as you guys can see, for the total views for 2019, I had 19.8K views. I had a total watch time of 542.2 hours. And you guys can see here the number that I'm most interested in, guys, is the subscribers. I have 207 subscribers in 2019. Whoa, guys, that is just amazing. I'm very happy to have 207 subscribers in 2019. Hopefully 2020, this year, hopefully I can have more videos for you guys that you guys can like and subscribe. I'm very excited. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and check and see what my most popular video was in 2019. So you guys can see here my unboxing Five Below AirPods video. That came in at 15.5K, by far my most popular video. Should you buy this RC video that I did for the little RC car that Aiden has, that got in 808 views. My favorite TikTok video, that got 388 views. And also how to get in ketosis fast, that got 316 views, and my unboxing New Bright Baja Buggy, 281 views. That, for a small YouTuber like me, with the number of subscribers I have, currently at this video, I have 249 subscribers. I did have 252, something like that. I did lose quite a few. But hey, that's just a part of what happens when you're in YouTube. So hopefully in 2020, guys, hopefully I can make this an exciting year for you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I wanted to share these stats with you from 2019. I wanted to wait until 1/1/2020 to show you these numbers. So there you have it, guys. I showed you my numbers. As always, guys, I'm going to end the video. If you like the video, please like, please subscribe. Later.